So here we are. Friday? Yeah, it's our Friday.
Yeah, Friday.
Yesterday was Mike's Friday because he's going on vacation.
2 whole weeks he's gonna be gone.
2 weeks?
2 weeks.
That was a week. We went and scouted this one yesterday with Mike. Look at that. Look at that. See that? We're gonna
right here.
right there.
See
In there.
that?
Look at that. All right, here we go. We're headed to the gas station.
He's recording while I'm recording. You're ruining my shot.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start that up. We're gonna hook onto it with the wrecker here, and we're gonna pull it this way so we can get it turned up here, and then we're gonna back it over there and then figure out what we're gonna do.
Step 1, get it unstuck.
Yeah, get it out of where it's at.
We didn't even bring a shovel.
That side or this side?
I don't know. Probably this side.
I guess see if she'll start. Will it turn this way at all? Awesome. Neutral? Put her in gear. Going that way. Hang on, hold there, hold there. Okay, right there, back up slowly. Good. Turn driver and come forward. Good. Okay, good there. Okay, Sean, turn that way. Right there, right there, right there. Go in reverse. Give it a little bit so it gets out of that hole. Okay, now, driver. Yeah, start turning point. Hang on, hang on. Good there. Easy, right there. Square a little. Okay, hold up. Oh no! Damn GoPros. There's a receiver hitch in the hitch.
Yeah.
AKA rock slider. Periscope cam.
Here we go. Got it all rigged up. Turn my AC on.
All right, so we got that out of there. Fairly uneventful. So now we have too many vehicles out here. So we picked up the Scrambler, the wrecker. Did it look like it was going to be worse when we got there?
Yeah.
Looked like we're going to be winching a long time, get everything out.
I am hot though.
I know, it's hot. It's summertime in Moab. So now normally I would never carry a rig out like this without someone in there to run the brakes. But I know the trail, this section we got to go out through, and I own both of them, so I'll do what I want. All that mad flex.
Mikey right there. Look at them.
What is up, dude?
What's up, dude?
Dude, you got it.
9:44.
Yeah, you guys were quick.
Dude.
Couldn't have been that bad.
It wasn't. It
Yeah.
was pretty easy.
Right on.
Nothing horrible. I know we're like, Mike could have still made his airplane.
Right?
So today is moving day. We are gonna move that to the new shop. Big old press. Let's get some ratchet straps and ratchet on there and drive it out there.
It's hooked? Oh, it just... No.
Perfect!
Shut our door!
Right there.
So here we are, being extremely horrible at filming, because that's what we do. Yeah. But we're getting some things unloaded and organized-ish, mostly-ish. Starting to get the layout. Still got up that upstairs, little by little. All right, so we're over here at Moab Side-by-Side Garage again. So my buddy Dustin here, you guys know him. He's the famous Subaru driver when we went out playing around on Hells. But also, he owns the Moab Side-by-Side here. We're always bringing rigs down here for him to work on and everything. And then he happened to just come across this super sweet vehicle right here. I love tow trucks, so then I'm like, dude, Dustin, I need to buy this from you. Can I get this from you? So we decided, I've got this Ford Ranger, and we are gonna build Dustin a side-by-side recovery rig. And we're gonna trade him for this wrecker back here because it's got potential for what we need it for, but we need him to have his own recovery rig, so we're gonna build him one.
How lucky am I? Having Trailmater crew build me a recovery rig, I feel pretty honored. It's a fuel injected 460, and really it seems to be a pretty solid base to start with.
Right.
And you guys, I'm sure, are gonna throw some tricks at it that are gonna make it pretty extreme.
The Overlander rigs, the Toyotas, the new Dodges, like the one off the TRX that we got where we had to take the trailer in there and just beat the crap out of the trailer. This has a wheel lift where we can actually pick the front end up and not damage the plasticky bumpers that are on everything nowadays. This is kind of filling that void of where the blue truck with the trailer works, but it's a pain in the butt and it's hard on the trailer dragging it around. With the wheel lift here, we can actually lift up the front of a vehicle and carry it out.
Yeah.
Win-win situations.
Heck yeah.
That's the best.
Dude, that's awesome.
Absolutely.
Dude, I appreciate it.
Absolutely. I appreciate you guys as well.
We got the most important tool ever.
Croissant wrench.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That's it sitting back there.
Sean came, he brought us the right tool. It's alive!
We're gonna go to Maverick and get drinks and snacks.
Seems like it runs pretty smooth.
20 feet into it.
Yeah.
Seems like it works pretty well. Brake pedal feels great. I just need you to know that first off, okay?
Yeah?
The brake pedal feels really good. I want to put the Alcoas on it like right now.
Yeah. I mean, I don't want to speak too soon, but it seems like we might make it to the old shop.
Premature celebration again, Mike.
Do that again.
There's not tinge on it. So yeah, let off.
Huh. I thought it smelled kind of electrical.
It's definitely struggle busting it to go down the road a little bit.
Yeah.
I mean, she's smelling a little, blowing the cobwebs out. It does make some spicy noises. I don't want to lose my drink when it blows up.
Yeah, when the transmission scatters and takes out your Mountain Dew.
That would be good. What do we say?
Thanks for watching.
What she said.
Yeah, what she said. What she said. Thanks for watching. Well,
That's custom right there.
right, you got to pay extra for that.
Yeah.
Somebody's gonna lose a finger.
Don't worry about it.
Mike's getting flashbacks.
Right?
Mike's having PTSD.
This tire looks a little soft. Do we need air?
Got air on the top.
You don't believe me? Ask the internet.
Jesus, Michael, hold the camera steady.
There we go.
The clutch, the gas pedal, and everything else scares the shit out of me. But the brake pedal feels great.